How to change Roblox keybinds. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about changing the keybinds in Roblox on PC. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to open your web browser on your computer and then search for Auto Hotkey. Visit the Auto Hotkey website and download the program. Now run the installation setup, and after installation, you can minimize the window. Next, create a new hotkey script. Right-click on the desktop, select New, and choose Auto Hotkey Script. Now name the script and then click on Create. Right-click the new script file, select Open With, and choose Notepad for easy access. Paste the command you want to use for keybinds into the Notepad file and save and close the Notepad again. Your hotkeys now should be enabled. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can change your Roblox keybinds on your PC. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.